and welcome to another video on the Happy Chef YouTube channel. This time I'll be making an easy dish with minimal ingredients due to the global pandemic that we're all facing at this moment in time. My spicy carrot soup. But before we start, let's wash our hands and let's look at the ingredients for this cheerful dish. So this is the ingredients for this dish. So 3 or 4 carrots, 1 or 2 large onions, 500 ml of boiling hot water, a stock cube, any old stock cube, but I'm using veg stock, a whole can of coconut milk, masala, 2 teaspoons of a half a teaspoon of crushed. Don't worry if you don't have any crushed chili, as you can just use any red chili. So for now I'm going to rough chop 3 of these carrots. So now we're going to just rough chop our onion. So lastly, I'm going to rough chop the chili. So first we're going to heat some oil up, fry some of our onions until they're nice and see-through. And then once they got some nice colour, we're going to add our carrots and our chili. Get that in really nice colour. Then we'll add our Garma Masala and our crushed chilli. Things are looking great now, and we're going to now have 500 ml of boiling water, dissolving our stock cube in there, and then making sure everything is dissolved. The stock cube is dissolved into the boiling hot water, and then we need to drain our coconut milk from the can and pouring both of these into here. So now we've taken our soup off the stove. We're going to now add it into our blender to blend it all together. So now it's all blended up. All we just need to do is to season it and season our soup with salt and pepper to your taste. I hope this dish has helped you ease your mind off of this COVID-19 issue that we all are facing. I encourage everyone to stay safe, wash your hands and cook happy. Thanks for watching, and like, share and subscribe to the Happy Chef YouTube channel.